These are Cakewalk questions that I've received pretty much the whole duration of this channel, and I try to do really well with answering these to the best of my ability. And if it's something that I don't know, I definitely try to look it up. Okay, this is a question from Paul Barker, and I'm looking to my screen to the left in case you're wondering why I'm not looking directly at you. My confusion is, do I need for example, some things like an 8-track mixer audio interface which records to the selected inputs, or do I just need one audio input where I select a track to record into? So let me say this real quick. You do not need an interface at all if you don't want to get one. Now, it is going to limit what you do, all right? Because you can record into Cakewalk using your computer keyboard to record instruments and use some of the virtual instruments that come within Cakewalk, but you also could use a simple 3/8 inch microphone, computer microphone, or a microphone from your gaming system or whatever, and you can plug it into the input that's normally comes on your computer. If you have a sound card built in, you can use a sound card that's on there. It will not work with ASIO, but you can definitely use that in Cakewalk, and I do have a video that talks about that. But if you want to get a better sound, then you definitely want to get an interface. I don't even really use it much, but this Focusrite, all right, this is the 2i4, all right, and this is 2 inputs, and they're TRS XLR combos, which work great for if I want to plug in my microphone on one channel, plug in my guitar on the other channel and start playing, or plug in my piano on the other channel. So it just depends on, but if you want to record multiple tracks at the same time, then I advise you to get an interface. It's just going to make your life a little easier.